Today we're checking out the 10 factory 31 spline performance rear axle kit for the 2005 to 2014 Mustangs. If you like hard launches, running sticky tires, or you've ever worried about stock axles holding up when you really lean on the car, this is one of those upgrades that's all about strength and peace of mind, so it's definitely worth considering. This kit is built around a heavy-duty 31 spline setup, which is the kind of thing that people go for when they want a stronger drivetrain foundation for real-world use. Whether you're doing some aggressive street driving or track days, stronger axles help reduce the chance of twisting or snapping when the car hooks. It's also built with the correct bolt pattern size of 5 by 4.5 inches, so it's made to match up with the Mustang application without having to do anything to make it work. 10 Factory also calls out the axle lengths, which just reinforces that this is meant for the proper fit on the car, not some generic close enough axle that can cause problems later down the road. This is a smart upgrade for anybody that's trying to build a car up in stages, because a stronger axle setup supports the rest of your mods and helps you actually use the power you're making. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting an axle made from 1541 manganese with a black oxide finish. That material choice is aimed at strength, and that black oxide coating helps with rust resistance so it can hold up better over time, especially if the car sees wet roads or rough conditions like that winter salt. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low $400 price range. For a heavy-duty axle setup, that's a solid value because you're upgrading a key weak point without spending crazy money. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 1 hour of your time if everything goes smooth. This is something that should be doable if you work on your car yourself and you're comfortable with the project. But if you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to do this right, then just go ahead and hire a professional to get this done right for you. Well, that wraps up our review and install of the 10 Factory 31 spline performance rear axle kit for the 2005 to 2014 Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.